All right, fellas, we're in the waters of Delaware. We brought my blown turbo sealed 335 out here. I have not a goddamn idea what we're doing, but while we're on this fascinating day out on the boat, go ahead and smash the like button for you, boy. Well, if you'll remember from last video, that tip fell off on the way to Delaware, so I'm just taking this tip off. So we'll have no exhaust coming out of the bumper, so it'll look stupid, but at least it'll match instead of having one little tip. Rest in peace, my DRSF exhaust tip. It probably killed someone, honestly. Well, we're going to the outlets right now. We got nothing else to do. It's like a shitty day. It's supposed to clear up tomorrow, so hopefully the weather's nice. Right now, I think we're just gonna go around trying to find my exhaust tip because it's gotta be somewhere. Someone stole it. Someone's gotta have it. We got the boxing gloves. Gotta fuck them up if we need to. It literally could be anybody. We have made it to the outlets. And look at how stupid this shit looks with no tips. Yo, bro, have you seen my exhaust tip anywhere? He had it. He's capping. So no tip. I think you're capping, but all right. We're on the way back from the outlets. These roads are so fun though. Open lane forever. Boys, I hate to say it, but a fellow brother is down right now. What'd I do to him? My boy. 328, we ain't stopping. 335, we would have stopped and towed it. So I'm just playing. 328 eyes, hard. Just playing. All right, boys, it's currently midnight right now. I'm actually gonna go pick up my cousin Danny and Marty, who are in Dewey right now. And that's a pretty popular, like, party little town out here in Delaware. I'm taking the BMW to see if we can get some content down there. It is midnight, and I don't really know how the neighbors are gonna react to this thing starting up at midnight. Yeah. Just doing what we do best, disturbing the peace. I'm just praying we don't get pulled over because there's a lot of cops down there. Rolling into Dewey right now. I know there's a lot of cops down here, so I really gotta watch out. Definitely gonna be a lot of drunk people. Oh my God, we got bitches running across the street. He's in a box.
How much boost are you pushing?
About 20. It's on stock turbos right now though.
My 1.8 is pushing 18 right now. Gonna hit 24.
Oh shit, that's what's up.
Be safe, boss.
Yeah, man. Really, so many people here. Bitch is about to hit somebody. She's taking 20 minutes to get into this. All right, Dan, you getting in the video or what?
We're about to be driving. We're about to be going. Okay, let's hit it. Let's hit it. I want to recognize it. See, now I want to fucking dip. Let's give him a. Put my seatbelt on because you low-key go fast.
Yeah, we hitting that fucking Mickey D's or what?
Yeah, we hit Mickey D's.
Yeah, we're hitting Mickey D's.
A couple bars did the line. It was literally minimum hour and a half. How you doing?
What's happening?
Hey, how you doing?
Here we go.
This dude's not looking good. Oh my God.
Good luck.
Try to stand up, brother. Try to stand up. Have a good one.
This guy's got to figure it out.
Here we go.
Oh, whoa.
Figure it out.
Look out.
Everyone's fucked.
I think his name's Brian.
Dude, there's some bad joints out here too.
They're everywhere, bro.
There's one right there. Specifically.
How you doing?
There's some rolling
Yeah.
bugs. They were like,
Yeah.
like all the people I saw standing in line, if I saw somebody I recognized in that line, even like you're trying to have fun that bad. Yo, he couldn't bump any wheelies out.
Bitch is just going.
Oh shit.
Yeah. That McDonald's line is serious. All right, it's 1 a.m. now. Just dropped them off. Got a little bit of content out there. Didn't want to do nothing too crazy because, as y'all saw, there was so many cops. See y'all tomorrow. This shit looks so baller in this driveway. It almost makes me want to bag the car again, but. So the first time my parents bought this beach house and me and Colin came down for a weekend, we actually got chased by the neighborhood security with this golf cart. And I was like jumping speed bumps and shit, so the alignment on this golf cart is so fucked up. And Colin actually wound up telling one of the security guards to like suck a dick or something, which was hilarious.
Hey, eat my dick.
So we're hated by this neighborhood off rip. Tried getting gas, place closed literally 2 minutes before we pulled up. We got about a quarter tank. I don't know if we're gonna make it to the other one. We are literally 19 subscribers away from 15,000 subscribers on YouTube. We might hit it on the boat. Are we hitting it on the boat?
Might not get off the boat.
Fuck it. We got that far to go with no gas.
Headlights burning up the highway, cigarette it hanging on my
They
lip.
look close too. Do not think that they are open. We literally have no gas. There's nobody here. Dude, we're fucked. Fuck this place. I'm about to go piss on it. Well, I don't know how we're gonna get back. We gotta wait here until someone brings us gas. We got gas! There's a bunch of Hellcats out today. Picking up the crab pots right now. Fuck! I'll give you $20 to put your hand in there. 1, 2, 3. Ah! How much money would it take for you to get pinched by that one right there? So $100 if you get pinched by him.
I don't think so.
$100, Colin. I will give this to you. Oh! Colin just threw $100 in the water. So we're heading in now. We didn't get any crabs, but I think we're gonna head out to the boardwalk a little bit later tonight. Head out. Dude, what? What does that mean? Yo! That was not planned. What?
What the fuck?
Stop whooping the Hellcat for the day. On the way to the boardwalk. And it's 10 p.m. So there's either gonna be two things out here. Underage women or crackheads. So, all right boys, we're pulling up to the boardwalk right now. They got a gay strip club, so that's sweet for Colin. So I'll drop him off and then figure out what I'll do for the rest of the night. It's like more wastegate rattle than any other noise. No one's like, yo, sick backfire tune. It's like, yo, what the fuck is wrong with your car? We made it. You got that beat? Oh my god! Run it back, run it back, run it back! There's no way.
It's hard to aim when you're jumping.
Go sit next to them. Oh shit, got a big dick. That was so fucking stupid. There's a little data log. Alright, we're bouncing. It's pretty dead. Hey now. Smells like gay? Is that what she said? She said better slow down. 128. We are headed back to Maryland. Oh, lovely Maryland. Goodbye to the beach house. I really need to stack some bread or something and move the fuck out of Maryland because even just going down to the beach house in Delaware is so much nicer than where I live. You know what else is nice is having sun visors. Just this sucks. That sucks a lot. Just pray that we make it, alright? Hit the like button and that equals a prayer.
My dick. Hey, using no hands on my dick.
Little Mustang, no little America. We're gonna try to do a little bald eagle shooting today, if you dig what I'm saying. Yeah. Alright, so we've been chasing this Mustang forever, and then he turns off. So we didn't get to gap no Mustangs today. I have to pee so ungodly bad because I've been holding it in the whole time. Look at homie up there. Somebody has their hazards on, is going like 30. So this Gatorade bottle, I'm just gonna top it off with a little lemon lime Gatorade. This is the first time I've ever pissed in a bottle in the car, and I'm driving. There's a gas station there, but I'm already pissing. Oh shit. Oh god. There's a gas station right here. I could have literally just peed right there. Talking to the here.
No. Back the fuck up.
We won't throw the bottle for our environmentalists. Ew! Try to rev back at him. He's gonna laugh. He thinks I'm such a bitch. Freestyle sessions with Wyatt and Colin. I'm shutting down the whole city with this one. Ready? Waste gauge broken. My turbos are smoking. My piss is floating. That 5-0 choking. Go in, go in, go in, go in.
I don't know what to say.
Yeah! This bitch is like 8 for 8 on Delaware trips. That's me being comfortable with the most reliable engine in the game. You wanna see a magic trick? I'm done. Did you get the piss bottle?
I let her rock, yeah, yeah. I let her roll, yeah. At your party, I'ma pop out, yeah.